Hello and welcome to Solving Problems in IT. In this mini session we are going to look at Excel and we are going to create some simple formulas. You can see we have a set of sales data here for the first 4 months of the year. And at the end of that data we want to create a sum, add up all this information. We want to work out the average of this information and we want to create an if function if the data or the sales are over 200. So how do we do that? First of all, let's look at the sum total. Click on the destination box. This is called the cell reference. In this case it's F2. From there we click on the function button and you see that all functions, all calculations in Excel must start with an equal sign. We select the sum, click on OK, and you will see from this criteria here in the box that it's already figured out that you want to add up all these numbers because it's reference B2 through to E2. Just click on OK and you will see the sum total entered into your destination box. Now instead of us filling out these same formula for each box, if you go to the bottom right hand corner, get the little black cross, drag it down, you will see that that automatically fills in the empty boxes to add up all these rows. Now you'll see that's relevant to these rows, this one is relevant to these rows, and this formula is relevant to these rows. These are called relevant cell references because the information in the boxes is only relevant to the adjacent numbers in the rows. Let's look at average. Again, click in your destination box, in this case it's G2. Click on the fx function. Again, this time pick an average. Click on OK. Now you'll see from in this box here, it's including this number here. You don't want to include this number. All you want to do is add up these four. So you select the four that you want to do and you'll see again, just like the sum, it's referenced from B2 through to E2. You click on OK and there's your average for these four numbers. Again, you can drag down or you can double click and it will automatically fill in the information that's required. So this is the average for these four numbers, this is the average for these four, and this is the average for these four. Now we're going to have a look at the if function. If you click on the box, we want to see if these figures here are over 200, and if they're over 200, we want to put the word in yes. So what we do again, click on the fx function. This time we select the if function. We click on OK and you'll see a box appearing with 3 boxes that needs filling in. In the first part of the logical test, you have to put the equation in that you want to solve. So if you select the sum total, and if this is greater than or equal to 200, if that is your equation, and if that is true, then you write in the words yes. If it's false, you can put no. We will put no in, but you have to always put something in here for the computer to know. So if you don't want anything in there, you just put 2 little quotations like that. But in this case, we'll put the words no. If you click on OK, you'll see the word yes appearing because this is 200. Now if we double click it, you will see now that anything over 200 is marked with a yes and anything under is marked with a no. This is the if function. Now before we finish, you can actually check to see if your figures are correct. All you do is highlight the 4 cells that you've been working in, and if you look down the bottom here, at the bottom of the Excel spreadsheet, you can see that the average is 71.75 for this row, which is that one there. You can see that the count is 4, that's telling you there's 4 cells being counted, and you'll see the sum is 287 and the sum is 287. This will verify that you've actually used the correct formula to come to your conclusion. That's some simple functions in Excel. I hope that helped. Thank you.